Marshals ready. Drivers ready. Live in 5.
Hey guys, welcome back to Live in 5 RC. Today, we're here for our first race. So we went and found our local track. We visited the track just to see what it was all about. And today, we're actually gonna hit some races.
33.8, 36.2, 31.8.
The first thing you wanna do is go ahead and check the track out. See what it's like, see what the texture is, see what you wanna run.
37.8, 31.4.
So now that you found out what the track's all about, let's go ahead and head inside and sign up.
36.4.
Hey, so I've never been here before, so do I just like sign up here and then like where do I pit?
So right now all of our tables are taken, so we have a container under our driver's stand.
I'm pretty sure that's full. Or it's damn close.
Oh,
Okay.
if it's full, then you can set up a table out there. We have plenty of spaces. As you're signing up, you just put your name and then whatever class you're running, whether that be short course or because we're running a 10 scale day. So you do 4-wheel drive buggy, 4-wheel drive short course, 2-wheel drive short course, or 2-wheel drive buggy, and we do have some stadium trucks. So whatever you brought and whatever you feel like you want to run, you can write that here. And then if you want to create a tab, I'll take your credit card and put it in this box. Or if you just want to pay it up front, then you just pay me right now.
Awesome, cool. So just sign up and then I can pit pretty much wherever as long as it's not full in here under
Yeah.
the container. And I can also pit outside. They just
Yep.
in front of me. Awesome. Is there electrical outside?
Yes.
Awesome, cool. Awesome, I'll get signed up and then I'll go find a place to pit. Thank you.
Yep. No problem.
All right, so you got all signed up. You got your pit table all set up. The first thing I would do is charge your packs. Charge your batteries as soon as you get into the track. So then you're ready to go. Once you get everything charged up, go ahead and hit some practice laps. All right, so now that the practice session has ended, the first thing you want to do is just go check out the heat sheets. Once you check out the heat sheets, just make sure you know which race that you're actually in. So you would look for the class that you're running. And in this case, I'm running a 4-wheel drive mod buggy. So we'll go down here to this 4-wheel drive mod buggy and see which heat I'm in. So I'm not in race 1, I am in race 2. So just make sure you know which heat you are and how long each race is. So this length is 8 minutes on this heat. So you want to make sure that your car is ready, typically 2 races ahead of yours. So I'm going to be ready by race 3 to be ready for race 5. Just make sure you know which heat you're in, how long each heat is, and be prepared for your race, because we will not, or they will not, wait for you to start your heat. All right, so we are now on race number 3.
After 7 minutes,
So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my car since I'm race number 5.
first place, followed by Jacob Hartman.
And the biggest thing is just to make sure that everything is set and ready to go. So you have your battery packs fully charged. So a fresh battery pack, make sure your wheel nuts are nice and tight. Make sure there's no loose screws or anything like that. Go ahead and throw your body on and then get ready to race.
30 seconds to go. Race number 4. You will be up next. Race number 4.
All right, so now that all your qualifying is finished, the next step is the mains. So once the track gets the mains posted, you can go and check them out. They'll also highlight all of the heats that were ran in qualifying. So if you want to check your fastest lap or where you finished within qualifying, you can definitely do that. But the next thing is definitely the mains. So they'll get all the main sheets posted, see what race you're in, and verify when you need to be prepped and ready to race.
See where your mom is. Wait, what?
All right, let's get ready for some racing.
go in across the line for the first time. Go through that inside section, Brian Dan DeCutro on the 3.
So in between your race and your next race, try to enjoy some of the race time, man.
Into the front, Lodi boy. Brian just behind him. It's going to be a 9-10 separation, but it's closing down right there. Brian now all over the path. Brian getting sprayed, and they're going inside, but nothing there. We're going over the double into the return wild ride. Both not going for air, and they're running outside of it. And down that straightaway once again. Brian doing everything he can. Here we go over the line. It's going to be a 6-10 separation that time. Into the switchbacks. Over that inner double. Anthony wins with a strong.
Alright, so now that you finish your full first day of racing, the next thing I would do is clean your car up. Make sure it gets all nice and clean and ready for their next race. Make sure you clean up your whole pit space and so you don't leave a mess after you leave the race. But thanks for sticking with us through the whole series. Thanks for watching Live in 5RC. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check us out on Facebook at facebook.com/livein5rc. But thanks for following the series all along. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun racing. But thanks for finishing the series with us and hope you enjoyed the racing.
A whole lot going on. We're separated pretty well here. Turn on my fancy heater.